What's going on out there, good people, and welcome back to LMD Trading, where I am living my dream trading. This is a double hitter today. Just finished doing my daily recap for trading futures. Good day over in the futures account today. First day trading an actual performance account with Apex Trader, but I wanted to make this video for a trade that I took in my Thinkorswim account today. I still trade the Thinkorswim account, primarily doing what I call my magnet to 50 EMA strategy. And also I will take some swing plays, stock swing plays. So I was over there this morning and I grabbed some shares of a stock, like a penny stock, I think it is. Just kind of thinking that it may do something here in the near future. It wasn't really a big trade. And the guys over in the Discord were talking about Microsoft. So I flipped the chart over to Microsoft. I was looking at it and I was liking what I was seeing, y'all. So I took an option trade on Microsoft. And when I tell you I had the right idea, but I did not trust my idea, I cost myself literally, this is literally thousands of dollars. I cost myself thousands of dollars today on a trade that I had no idea would do what it did, but it did. So I just wanted to look at that real quick. We're going to take a look and I'm going to be right up out of here. I was trying to turn on the charts and show my trades, but for some reason, Thinkorswim don't want me to be great and I'm in the right account. It's just not showing them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring up Thinkorswim where you can actually see the orders. So you see, like I said, I took a trade on MWG. Don't ask me what it is. I just took it because I liked the way that the chart kind of looked. 100 shares, paid 64 cents per share. See what time I took it? 9:42 and 52 seconds. And then you see right here, Microsoft 345 call. I purchased one of them, paid $2.86 for it. Bought it at 9:55. So about 13 minutes after I took that trade. You see 10 minutes later, I'm getting out of it for $2.95, basically making $9 on this trade, y'all. $9. But what I want to do is show you why I took the trade. And then I want to show you what Microsoft has done. So let me prep these charts so you don't really see what it has done already, and then I'll kind of show you what it's done. So switch on over to the charts real quick. So Microsoft charts right here, 2 minute, 5 minute, 30 minute. This is the option contract. So Microsoft opens and just tanks, just gives it all the way up. Come down, look at the 2 minute. Comes down, gives it all the way up. And I'm gonna actually switch this over to the 1 minute. All right, I was hoping, good job. I didn't want it to show where it was at right now, so that's good. Let's bring this over. So this is what we're looking at. This is this morning on the 1 minute, just kind of slow grinding down. I switched over to the 2 minute just so you know where I was getting in at, because this kind of gives you a better representation, like how I used to do my recaps. So I got in at 9:55. I'm getting in on this candle right here. So I took this trade, and you probably can see why if you follow my futures. This was a zone to zone trade. Trading it from previous day's low. It's going to hold. See a line up here. This is the 50 moving average as well. But when I took this option play, I was not trading it zone to zone, y'all. My plan was take this trade and risk $20. My stop is going to be somewhere down here. If this peekaboos and goes lower, I am going to lose $20. Otherwise, I'm going to just stay in this contract till the end of the day. I'm going to stay in this contract till the end of the day. So let's come over here and let's look at the option contract. I got in at 9:55. I'm getting in on, I'll do the same thing, 9:55. I'm getting in on this candle right here. One contract. 286. So I am risking 266. 266. I'm risking $20. Why am I keeping dropping arrows? Let's change that back. 266. I'm getting in right there is my stop. So I'm going to remove that line. That's my stop. I'm in at 286. I'm risking $20. 266. We're not going to worry about the stock chart right now. What I'm going to do is just scroll this over. Let's look and see if we ever see a candle get below 266. So it's just grinding along, grinding along. Oh, and mind you, let's go back real quick before we do that. So you remember I got out at 295. And we'll look at that candle. That was 10 minutes later, 9:55. I'm getting out, I'm sorry, let's see, 10:05. 10:05. So let's see where 10:05 is. I'm getting out, wow. Switch this back over. I'm getting out in that candle as this comes back down. So entry, target, no target. Stop. This is the stop. Now let's continue. So you see where I got out at. Let's keep going. 11 o'clock. Look at 11:30. News comes out. This thing goes bonkers. It's up to $4. That would have been good. Let me swap this back to that there. There we go. So 11:30, $4, $7, $9, $14. Remember, I want to be in this thing to the end of the day. I'm either lose $20 or I'm going to make whatever it's at. It's at $16 at 12 o'clock. It's at $18. It's at $20. It's at $22. It sets a high of $22.15. Now it's making its way back down. Still chopping along, chopping along. And where's we at right now? It's at $20 right now. Now, do you believe me when I say I left thousands on the table? This was a trade. Never would have stopped me out. And Microsoft has gone $24 today. $24. That is crazy. And I don't have this in my long-term account because I looked, and if I did, I would have sold every single share that I was in. Trust me. I would have sold every single share that I was in, and I would just wait on a pullback. But I wanted to make this video real quick just to show y'all that, man, that just not sticking to the plan sometimes can actually cost you thousands of dollars. And that's what it cost. On that note, I'm going to wrap this one up. We'll be back at it again tomorrow. Peace.